Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change booking date in Agoda. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you can see options like Home, My Trips, Deals, Cart and more. Go to My Trips. Under My Trips, you can see upcoming trips, completed trips and cancelled trips. Under upcoming trips, you're gonna see your booked hotel or other plans. You have to tap on Manage Booking there. Once you tap on Manage Booking, you're gonna find on the screen there's options like Cancel the Booking or Edit Booking. Select Edit Booking and select Change Date option from the menu that has appeared from the bottom of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change dates in Agoda. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.